It is substitution and elimination. Okay, we are going to start with problem number 2. Problem number 2, I have y equals x minus 12, and I have y equals negative x plus 6. What suggestion do you have? Yeah, set them equal to each other. If I have y equals and y equals, you can set them equal. So I get x minus 12 equals negative x plus 6. What method is this? Substitution or elimination? Substitution. In place of y, I'm substituting x minus 12. Okay, so if I add x over here, I get 2x. If I add 12, I get 18. So 2x equals 18. Divided by 2, that gives me x equals 9. How do I find y?
Plug it back in.
Plug it back in. Alex, would you like to use the first equation or the second equation?
I usually do
First. Okay, so y equals 9 minus 12, which is negative 3. How do I want you to express your answer?
Wait,
Nine
didn't it
comma
say
negative.
negative x? So
No, it's x minus 12. Right? Isn't it positive x minus 12?
Yes.
Oh, no, I looked at the bottom.
Okay, how do I want you to express your answer?
And mere comma y.
An ordered
In
pair. Yeah,
parentheses.
x comma y. 9 comma negative 3. Because if you remember from solving a system, these are two lines. So that 9 comma negative 3 is the point of intersection between the two lines. Now, this isn't, you're not done. You have to check your answer. How do you check your answer? And I don't mean, come look at your answer key.
Test.
Plug it into
Both of them?
both of the equations. So you need to show me that. I will not give you full credit if you do not check both of your answers. So for the first one, I get negative 3 equals 9 minus 12. That checks out. Second one, I get negative 3 equals negative 9 plus 6. That also checks out. You need to check both, and you need to check for every single answer, or for every single problem. Does this all ring a bell?
Yeah.
Okay, are we confident that we can do substitution on our own without my help?
I guess so.
Okay, I would like to do one elimination problem. So if you could flip to page 4, please. Let's do example 5. Example 5, why would you not do substitution here? You could, but why is it probably not the best method?
Not clean.
Equal everything.
What do you mean by that?
Like there's no. Like there's no.
The x and y are
The x and y, they're not by themselves.
There you go.
That's
X and
like
y have coefficients in front. So if there was like a 1x or a 1y, you would solve for it. Here you don't have that, so we need to do elimination. Okay, do you think we should eliminate x or y? It doesn't matter, but which one do you think is easier?
Matter. Who am I?
I would eliminate y. Why is that?
Because you can easily make it into 10.
No.
She says
Why?
5 times 2 is 10 and 2 times. And well, it's a negative and a positive.
That's why. Hey, stop. That's why. X's are both positive. The y's, we have one positive, one negative. That's why you want to eliminate y. Now, 2 and 5 both go into 10, so I'm going to multiply the top equation by positive 5. I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by positive 2. If you eliminated your x's, you would have to multiply by a negative, which I don't like doing, but you still could. So our top equation becomes 15x minus 10y equals negative 25. Bottom equation becomes 8x plus 10y equals 94. Can somebody verify that I did that correctly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How do I know that I'm on the right track?
Because the y's cancel.
Y's cancel. Negative 10 add positive 10 is 0y. 15 and 8 is going to give me 23x equals 69, I think.
Yes.
Divide by 23, so I get x equals 3. Okay, now we need to plug into one of the two equations to find x. I'm going to do the top equation because I don't want to have to deal with 47. So I get 3 times 3 minus 2y equals negative 5. So this is 9 minus 2y equals negative 5. If I subtract 9, I get negative 2y equals negative 14. So y equals 7. Your answer then is 3 comma 7. So those two lines intersect at the point 3 comma 7. How do I check my answer?
Plug it back in.
Plug it in where?
Both equations.
Both equations. And again, I'm not going to accept your homework tomorrow if you don't check your answer. We have homework that we're going to start in class. So some of you may finish, some of you may not. So this is 9 minus 14 equals negative 5. That is true. And then 4 times 3 plus 5 times 7 equals 47. So this is 12 add 35 equals 47, which also checks out. All of this ring a bell?
Yep.
Now it does at least? Okay, what happens if I'm doing a problem and I get down to something like 0 equals 4? What does that mean?
It's, not
No
a
answer.
line, it's not a set.
No solution.
No solution. No solution. What does that mean about your lines?
Just do it wrong.
They're parallel. Well, it could be a mistake, but it might not be a mistake. If you did the problem correctly and you get 0 equals 4, it means there's no solution because the lines are parallel. What happens if I get something that's true, like 5 equals 5? Infinitely many solutions. What does that mean about your two lines?
Not parallel.
Yes. They're the same line. Same line. They lie right on top of each other. Okay, questions? Okay,